Good morning, friends. How are you? Today I'll talk about Amazon.com stocks. Amazon stocks. Today we will talk about Amazon stocks technical analysis. The Amazon stock is trading in Nasdaq 100. So I analysis 3-year chart Amazon's stock and found the that level. You can see in this picture in 2017 the Amazon stock make a low of 709 US dollar. 2018 it make low 1158 US dollar, and then it can go up to 2045 US dollar. Then it can retrace and comes and down to 1326 US dollar. Then it can again bounce up to 2050 level and again retrace 13 to 26 US dollar, and again it can make a jump of 2045. It can make a triple top. The Amazon stock make a triple top, but it can't be able to breach 2045 US dollar level. It's clear indication that stock have no too much strength to break 2045 US dollar levels. Then the charts show the 1326 is the strong support because stocks was reversal from 1326 levels two times. It may make a high 2045 three times, and it can bounce back from 1326 two times. That show there is a strong support area in 1326 US dollar, and major resistance is 2045 US dollar. That is, I make a chart very simply that every people can understand what's the stock saying. At that time the stock is in consolidation mood or consolidation phase. It can consolidate and retrace, then it may jump up to 3000 or 4000 US dollar. Okay, we take at a current scenario we take some technical and fundamental analysis. So the stock technical analysis is moving average 50 by 100 and 100 by 200 is saying sell. RSI 14 is saying sell. Values 36.41. The RSI of the stock is saying sell. Stock is 9 by 6 is say neutral. The value is 47.80. MACD is negative minus 3.10. The MACD is clearly indicate the stock is correct up to 1440 US dollar or 1370 US dollar. That the MACD trend says. ADX 14 38.46 says sells. Bull and bear is minus 36 says sells. ATR 14 is 163, and the stock may be high volatile. Sometime it can make a jump and sometime it can drop very quickly. So be aware about the stop loss if you trade intraday, or if you are investor. Every downfall you collect the Amazon stocks. In coming year 2 3 4 years it go up to 5000 US dollar. That is the technical analysis, and let's talk about the fundamental analysis. The market capital 886 billion US dollar. Price upon earning is 75.8. It's high. Price upon earning is going to high side. So don't buy stock at that time. Wait some correction and then make a small position in Amazon stocks for long term. Revenue is 252 billions dollar. Earning per share is 23.81, and beta is 1.57. Dividend values nothing. It may say that the Amazon is not giving dividend at that time. And let's go to Fibonacci retracement chart. Fibonacci retracement chart saying that 52-week high of Amazon stock is 2050 and low is 13.07, 1307 US dollar. So the Fibonacci retracement says the 23.6 retracement up to 1874 US dollar. Maybe we can see the retracement up to 78.6 level, 1460 or 1440 level in coming days. And there is a very rare chance it can breach 1326 US dollar. 1326 US dollar is a strong support. Okay, I make a note here also. Remember that stock have very less chance to break 1326 US dollar because it is strong support. If it breach, then 138% retracement level in seen in Amazon stock, or panic selling also seen. But I have confidence that 1326 is the good support and it can't breach 1326. Let's talk about the performance of the stock last 4 years. I make a indicator chart that total revenue and net income. The total revenues 2015 is 107 billion. Then 16 is 135 billion. 17 is 177 billion. And 2018 232 billion. And now there is a 2019 from I make a quarterly chart to 303 US dollar billion, 303 billion US dollar. It make a total revenue. It gain a total revenue, and net income is 2015 59 billion, 2016 is 237 billion, and 2017 is 306 billion, and 2019 they not announced at that time, so there is no figure. I get the correct figure. What's the net income? That's the chart. Show the Amazon stocks make a good profit and good revenue year of year basis. So that is the big reason for buying these stocks. And my recommendation is buy stock in every correction. Stock is in strong uptrend, but this time stock in consolidation stage. So you can see this. There is a consolidation stage. It can go up to 6 months or 1 year consolidate. After it can take a jump and it can cross the 2050 or 2045 level and go up to 5,000 6,000 US dollar in coming years. Okay, subscribe my channel. I'll give you latest news and update about the stocks. Okay, bye.